This is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So firstly, open whatever search engine you prefer. I happen to have Bing or something, so I'll use Bing, but you can use Google, Yahoo, whatever is, as I've mentioned, whatever is the search solution that you regularly use, doesn't matter. Simply input the Fortnite APK query to your respective search bar like that, and amongst the search results look for epicgames.com or fortnite.com official websites. As long as they are official, they will do. So I have already found the link that will bring me to the fortnite.com website. Let me quickly find the epicgames.com as well. So perhaps it will be on the second page, or will it? Yeah, probably not, but I mean Fortnite.com is good enough for me. So, well, download the app. Actually, let me quickly change the language to English. Just a moment. Not really sure where are you supposed to switch the web page language. Okay, anyway, let me just probably open the earlier link that I was provided with on the first search page maybe. And maybe it will be in English perhaps. Yep, here it is. Anyway, once you made it to this page, tap at the download now button and wait for the APK file to ask your permission to be downloaded. Or actually, it will not. It can ask or it cannot ask, doesn't matter. Just accept the download, then open the APK file. It seems like the Bing search bar does not support the staging of APK files. That's completely fine. If that's your case as well, just open the file manager on your phone and launch the file you have just downloaded from there. Then grant the allow from this source or install unknown apps permission, install the Epic Games Store app, then open it. Onwards go for the Fortnite game page. And tap at the install button over there. Now wait for a minute or two for the game to be downloaded. As you can see, once the Fortnite game itself was downloaded but is yet to be installed, the system asks that we grant Epic Games Store the same permission we did for the file manager, that is install unknown apps. So give the required access to the Epic Games Store app, then finalize the Fortnite installation, which will occupy, as you can see, way less time than the download did. Then launch the game itself. Grant all the permissions it asks for, I guess, but well, that's not the game permissions, but anyway. And now simply wait for the Fortnite to finish downloading all remaining updates, resources, and well, what's not. As you can see, the update size is just over 6 gigabytes, so it might take a while, but once this step will be finished, you will be finally able to start playing the game. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.